I'm more of a hands-on type person, and that really made my decision for me was when I realized that I didn't want to be sitting behind a desk for most of my time at my job, and I would rather be doing hands-on applications of the engineering and technology side of things.
Looking at the industrial technology side of it, there was opportunity that I saw to be involved with the design and then to actually take and potentially fabricate and do testing and really have more of a start to finish application to be more involved throughout the entire process instead of just on the design side or just on the fabrication side. I enjoyed the people there very much. The professors seemed to they genuinely cared about all of the students. I had a lot of one-on-one time whenever I needed it, and all of the students seemed to have the same mentality that I did. They wanted to be there, they wanted to learn, and they wanted to be involved in a lot of hands-on applications to really learn that way.
I chose iTech and manufacturing because I like the class sizes. They're a lot smaller, and you start out with the same people you graduate with. The teachers understand where you're coming from and where you're going to end up when you graduate, because they all have similar experiences with real-world experiences, and a lot of them actually graduate from Iowa State.
Well, I grew up on a farm in Saskatchewan, Canada, and actually I got recruited by the hockey team to come down here. As a student athlete, faculty and staff have helped me to be successful because they're very understanding. We go on some road trips and we miss a few days, and they're more than willing to let me turn my homework in ahead of time, and they're fine with that. The faculty to staff or faculty to student ratio is really good, so if I need help out of class, there are always resources for me to get help.
Not all schools have products like in-house products where you could actually hook up hydraulics or use the precision agriculture machines, or going through on the computers and seeing the film go up, or using the machines. Most places only have like the technical side where it's all theory, or this is how it would work. Well, you get to hook up and go actually get your hands dirty in the classroom.
Another attraction for me was the fact that you're on the right track to getting a well-paying job.
When you graduate from iTech, you have a lot of job options. You can work as managers or supervisors. You even get hired as different types of engineers, from manufacturing engineers to quality engineers. There's just a very wide range of job opportunities out there.
Finding a job wasn't hard for me when I graduated from iTech. I actually had 2 or 3 job offers coming out of the gates, so I actually had 3 really good opportunities, and at the time I took the one that I thought was the best. I was able to utilize a lot of lab time. We would have our actual class time where we would talk about theory, do the book work, and then we actually got to take all of what we had learned in the class directly to the lab, use robots, use pneumatic or hydraulic things, any electronics that were there. We had a lot of hands-on learning that actually helped us apply what we'd been studying in the classroom.
There's lots of clubs and organizations within your majors or your profession that you can join to be active, that look great on resumes, that employees or employers really look for. Also, Iowa State has one of the largest career fairs in the entire nation, which helps students connect with employers to find internships and jobs.
Yeah, I feel like Iowa State is giving me the education I need to be successful in the industry.